Hello friends, welcome to another quick review and unboxing episode. Today we'll take a look at the 1:72 scale Panavia Tornado F3 ADV model from Revell. Let's check it out. This kit is a rebox of the 1990 Italeri model. The box contains 2 sprues of a soft gray plastic, 1 grill plastic sprue, decals and an instruction manual. This specific model features a lengthened forward fuselage and includes air-to-air missiles. While the surface of the large parts are clean, the finer details leave something to be desired. It's an old Italeri mold, so I take it as an excuse. The clear parts look nice, but there is no heads-up display. Let's look at the details more closely. Many small parts are riddled with eject pin marks, so a lot of filling will be required. The cockpit details are average for this scale, though improvements can be made using aftermarket parts. The ejection seats are simplified, featuring only a basic representation of the seat belts. The landing gear base and struts look okay, but as usual, I will upgrade them with some scratch build. The Sidewinder and the Skyflash air-to-air missiles are simplified, so I have to replace them. The manual is typical for Revell. On the first page features a brief history of the aircraft and the recommended paint colors. The final pages show schemes of 2 aircraft, but I think I will go my own way on this. The decals look fine, but they are showing their age. I already picked up a few aftermarket parts, resin seats, 3D decals, and a new decal set with paint schemes. This will be fun. Alright, I share more details about the build as I progress. Until then, take care. Bye.